Hello everyone. Today's topic is Boyle's law. What does Boyle's law states? It states the volume of a dry gas of a given mass is inversely proportional to the pressure applied. What is the meaning of this statement? Let's learn. Suppose I say that the pressure of a region is something, can be anything. Now, if the pressure decreases, according to this law, the volume of the gas will increase. Similarly, if the volume of a gas decreases, the pressure will increase. And this is the meaning of inversely proportional actually. If one quantity increases, the other quantity will decrease, and vice versa. So moving on to the next thing, that is dry gas. The statement clearly indicates that the gas should be dry. Why the gas should be dry? For this law, actually the gas should have no moisture in it. So we can say that if the gas has some amount of moisture, then we cannot use this law properly. This law is only for the gases which are dry, completely dry. Now another thing to focus, that is mass. If you want to use this law, the mass of the gas must be fixed. So if the mass of the gas changes, then also we cannot use this law properly. That is another thing. Moving on to the formulas actually. Now these things, let's learn very simple. According to the statement, P is inversely proportional to V. P is the pressure, V is the volume. If we increase the pressure, volume will decrease. So that's what is represented here. P, the proportional sign, 1 by V. Now we can write this in this way also, that if we multiply V with P, we can write it as P into V is equals to K, and K is a constant. Why we should write K? Now please remember, for proportionality sign, when we are converting proportionality sign to equals to sign, we have to give a constant on the other side. It can be anything, it can be A, B, C. Here we are using K. So this is actually the formula, PV equals to K. Now let's assume one thing. There is a gas, it has a pressure of P1 and a volume of V1. So for that gas, if we apply Boyle's law, what will be the formula? The formula will be definitely P1 into V1 equals to K. Now we change the volume of the gas, so the pressure will also change according to the Boyle's law. So if we apply Boyle's law, what will we get? We will get P2 into V2 equals to K. So we have got two equations in our hand. Now if we combine these two equations, K and K will be cut down. So what will we get? We will get P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2. This is the formula of Boyle's law. Using this formula, we actually find the volume and the pressure of different things. When one value changes, what will be the other value? So I hope Boyle's law was quite clear, and if there is any sort of doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.